Multifunctional Kitchen Helper. Chopping, dicing, grinding, and blending ingredients can be very time-consuming. With Mueller's QuickPrep food chopper, preparing ingredients is as simple as a push of a button, giving you more time to cook and savor flavors instead. Compact and powerful with 1.5 cup capacity, this small food processor is the perfect size to keep handy on your countertop for everyday use. The mighty motor and stainless steel blade provide premium performance, while the one-touch pulse button makes operation simple. Whether it's coarse or fine you'll be able to blitz through ingredients with precision. Try new recipes. Mueller food processors inspire you to experiment with new and exciting recipes. Use the electric chopper with fruits, nuts, and herbs, or use as a meat chopper or vegetable chopper. Prep your meat and veggies ready to add straight into soups, pies, and casseroles, or for delicious pasta sauces. Dishwasher safe parts. All parts are quality food grade, making for safe and healthy use and easy cleanup. Use warm soapy water to gently wash the lid, blade, and the bowl, or else opt to wash in the dishwasher. Compact for easy storage, and lightweight to conveniently pull out again whenever chopping calls. Let's see a review of this product from our verified customer. This is a really good little chopper. It is very well made. There are grooves, so that you make sure that it is in the right spots before starting. It is very tight and it suctions closed and nothing really spills out. All the plastic is pretty thick and the blade reaches the corners pretty well. It only has pulse, so you have to hold down the button. It works best if you don't overload it. Honestly, less is more because it chops so thoroughly when you put half instead of trying to overload it. I am actually really satisfied and impressed with this product. If you are interested to see more reviews, click on the link provided in the description.